demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in.
Versus banks, this is one step away from going insolvent. And what insolvency means is if you have money on this exchange, it's gone, you can never get it back. And right now they will not let you withdraw your money. So you're at the mercy of this exchange, and you better hope they don't go insolvent or everything you have on there is gone. Due to extreme market conditions today, we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawal swaps and transfers between accounts. Celsius Network said in their statement, we are taking this action to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations. They're fucked. They were offering people 20% staking per year on coins. Where were they coming up with that 20%? It is a big Ponzi scheme, a la BitConnect. Any of these exchanges that are offering you 10, 12, 20% to stake, it's more than likely a scam. And when market conditions get tough like now, they're going to be proven to be insolvent and they're going to go bankrupt. And you're going to have stuff like this happen where they won't let you get your money out because it's impossible to guarantee a 20% investment to stake your stuff on their sites. It's literally a scam, right? It doesn't seem like a scam because early investors start to get paid, but when you start to get market turmoil like now, you start to see that their 20% and everything they were saying is a big flop and a big fraud and a big scam, a la BitConnect, right? There's a dime a dozen of these that happen, and people just don't learn because they're enticed by the easy money. Between Friday and Sunday evening, the total capitalization for crypto sold off more than 162 billion, a drawdown of almost 13.5% from 1.19 trillion to 1.03 trillion. Since the beginning of the month, Bitcoin has tumbled 14.3% from 31,582 to 27,000. Now it's down to 21,000 and 20,000 it hit last night, right? It's putting all kinds of pressure on these exchanges that are offering outrageous interest payments to loan them your money. And then they try to get new investors to pay back old investors. That's a la a Ponzi scheme. Bernie Madoff. You ever hear of it? BitConnect. You ever hear of it? A dime a dozen, and people are being fleece heisted and shysted by the allure of free money, right? There's nothing free in this world, and if you still have your money on this exchange, you're fucked. They might not ever let you get it off, and by the time they let you get it off, they're insolvent, and you could have had $1 million, and they'll only let you get out 100 because they're bankrupt, right? It's very bad what's going on in crypto right now. And a lot of these exchanges, as Warren Buffett says, when the tide goes out, you can see who's swimming naked. And Celsius was obviously swimming naked. And more breaking news, Coinbase to fire 1,100 employees. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the U.S., intends to fire as many as 1,100 employees as part of major restructuring plans announced earlier today. The crypto giant has roughly 5,000 full-time employees, which means its workforce will now shrink by 18%. And this is just right off the bat. Coinbase has joined BlockFi, Gemini, and other companies in layoff of employees. The cryptocurrency is in the middle of a brutal bear market, yet Ripple recently announced that it would buck the trend by hiring more than employees because of significant cash revenues, right? I'd be very cautious on that, right? There's big things going on in crypto, and this is just the tip of the iceberg, right? As the market continues to deteriorate, it's only going to get worse, and you guys need to be smart about what you're doing and about what exchanges and how much of your total net worth you're keeping on these exchanges that could literally go belly up overnight. Bitfinex and Celsius. Celsius is literally one step away from being insolvent and you losing everything. But now if we go into some quick technical analysis as I'm at work, you can see we bounced off that green ring right now that we talked about last night. Now you could get some kind of bounce back at being massively oversold after all this liquidity got drained out. You could get a nice bounce back and bounce up into this upper resistance at the 28,000. Is it a for sure thing? No. Would I be banking the farm on it? No. But is it something to take note of as a quick relief rally in the stock market and in crypto as the Fed talks tomorrow? Yes, it's possible, and I'll be paying attention for that. But as you do know, as soon as you break this green ring, your next underneath support, look at that, is all the way down here near our technical target that we've had for months. And if you would like to support the channel, you can do it for as super simple and easy as $2.99. It gives you membership to my members only videos when I post them out. I'm making a technical trading tutorial on TradingView. It'll be coming out Friday, right? And you, for as simple as $2.99, you can get to support the channel for $2. The cheapest way to support a channel on any YouTube station and to get members only content for $2.99. And the crypto sphere, if you want to support Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing but don't have a big budget but want to support the channel, just become a member of Jabroni Killers for $2.99 and you'll get the members only videos and the video of my TradingView tutorial that's going to be coming out. But as soon as you break this green ring and this $20,200 major support, your next major area is $12,669, which is right on top of our $13,336 price forecast that old Vincenzo's had since way back when Bitcoin was making its double top at 63,000 and rising. And I've kept you out ahead of the competition, and I've kept you 69.69 steps ahead of the criminal gangsters, right? So that's the big thing we're looking at. Could you come back up into this major volume indicator area up here? You could on a nice bounce. You could try to tag as a big hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal, something that looks like that, where the market starts to get a little bit oversold. Some buyers come back in. They try to pump the market to stabilize what's going on because crypto's in a dire strait right now, and we're going to pay attention for that. Luna 2.0, stay far, far away from any projects that declines in, and any Luna Classic, Luna 2.0. I highly recommend not touching it or being anywhere near it. Why is Celsius token crashing? Ethereum DeFi versus CeFi, right? They're all crashing. Right? Ethereum, we've had very low price targets. You can see Cardano's had a nice pump today. What we were talking about yesterday, you could bounce off of this lower support and maybe make a run back at the 200-day moving average up here at about 62 cents. But your next underneath major support is 32 cents. And if you break that 32 cents, you could come all the way down here to where we have this circle down here of Vincenzo watch all the way down at 0.04 cents, which seems like that can't happen from where the current price is at 49 cents, but this could happen in a blink of an eye in Cardano, as I've been warning since Cardano was at $3, that this thing was going to flush and flush hard, and the next move down could be a 90% plus move to the downside, right? So be paying very close attention. If you break that 32 cents, you have a major fall coming, right? If we look at XRP, I've been warning you on XRP too. There's only so much old Vincenzo can do. I've taken a lot of flack because everyone's so entrenched into the XRP army. Anytime you give them some valid technical analysis on how we had this symmetrical triangle and a neutral continuation pattern, and how I felt it was going to break down and come down to 19 cents. I was getting a lot of hate mail and a lot of charlatans in the comment section trying to promote people not to support me, to join my station, because I am not an XRP maximalist, neither am I a Bitcoin maximalist, and I don't have high hopes for this to take over the world's banking system like all these other people do, because Ripple and XRP are two separate companies, and Ripple could do its own thing and leave XRP coin in the dust and leave this literally in bankruptcy, right? But nobody wanted to believe this could get this low again. Everyone thought this was going to moon back here, and now we're nearly a year and a half away, and you can see this is way, way away from the $10 in the market cycle that everyone was promoting on all these crypto stations when old Vincenzo was telling you this was coming down and coming down big. As I proclaimed back here, we had a multi-year bear market, and we're now a year and a half into this, and you can see things are getting bad now as exchanges are going bankrupt, liquidity crunch is all over the place, and insolvency is going from coin to coin, exchange to exchange, and a lot of people are losing a lot of money right now, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.